Today we've driven about 80 kilometers away from Khemmarat to a temple, but I don't know the English name, but Tina will tell you in Thai.
Welcome to Wat Tham Patihan.
This is a temple. This is a temple that Tina wants to visit. She said she'd never been here before. Sky.
No coffee, no one. Just have Coca-Cola. Hey, Pepsi.
Okay, that'll do for me. I'll have a Pepsi team. It's a bit of an unusual place, this. I can't see where there's a distinct temple, but we've just walked down some steps and there's like a serpent going down into a dark place. We walked down to the bottom and I thought it was a bit ridiculous that there was no lights, but apparently the guy's gone on his dinner and they're going to turn the lights on at 1 o'clock, so we have to wait for a little bit. But unless there's something tucked away somewhere, it doesn't look like your regular Buddhist temple. Okay?
Yeah, really hot.
And it's distinctly cooler in Khemmarat. I had my jumper on all yesterday evening, but today here is very hot. So is there a temple down below, Jean?
Yeah.
Where we went earlier on, a proper temple?
Yeah.
Mind you, saying that, it looks like some sort of temple over there. I think I'm gonna have to find some shade soon. I've been out here 3 years, but I still can't get used to the heat. Any idea what this is, team? Any idea what this is or was? It is a regular temple. Oh, look at that thing. All the window shutters have ornate carvings. Hope you can see this okay. Tina's just informed me that people come here and they make these little stone piles for good luck all around. It looks like this place is a little bit old. That's a big bell. Nice sound. It wasn't me. The monk won't mind.
My mom comes soon.
Hot for you?
Yeah. I cannot open because it's not very good for temple.
If I haven't mentioned this before, the little one is Tina's sister's boy, Sky, and that's Tina's mother coming up behind, and a sister behind. Okay. I think somebody's pinched my hat.
ายจะค่อยวายล่ะตอนนี้กระถางอยู่ข้างในยายออนไหนเอาแม่ยายถือ
What you buying, King?
Go inside, put inside. Mắm, à mẹ, để ra hả?
ไม่ทำบุญของใคร
Ok, ok.
ใช่เหรอมันใช่ตู้นี้เนาะ
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
ก็ไปทำกัน
ใช่
Take two, we've already been here once, but there was no lights on. So we've got to wait an hour for them to turn the lights on.
À what?
It's a bit dark in here. What's that water I can hear? Eh? Is there a stream or something here? I can hear water
Yeah,
running.
water, tap water inside.
The other side of here.
Yeah. I think inside, but I don't know where.
My GoPro is failing a bit here. I don't know if it's going to get any better on the bottom. Probably not. Well, I've given up on the GoPro in here. It's too dark. I'm now on my iPhone, which surprisingly is quite good in low light. It's quite impressive. I think my car could do with a wash. Stinking. You want to wash my car? You going to wash my car? Well, we've come from the temple and we're at Sang Chan Waterfall. If you can see that, it's right in the Sang Chan Waterfall.
You want to go inside?
Surprisingly enough, free to get in here. They don't look like very much water this time. We came here a few years ago. And the water comes down the stream and disappears into that hole.
The water go down here.
I bet this is more spectacular in the rainy season, but there's not much water coming from the stream above. Last time we were here, there was people swimming inside.